What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be checking out the gaming on the LG Stylo 6 right here. We've had this phone for a few days now and I still haven't seen any gaming test videos on this device. So we have a couple games, we're going to go ahead and load them up and see how they run. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so first and foremost we're going to go ahead and check out Call of Duty Mobile. Now, first thing that I want to talk about on this device, and it's actually a good thing, is that this has dual speakers. So this has a front-facing speaker where the headset's at, and it also has a bottom-firing speaker. So we have stereo speakers on this device, so that's always nice to see. Call of Duty's loading up right here, and we're just going to try a little match real quick, see how this runs. Alright, so we have our stuff picked up right here. See how that works right there. Got a kill. Oh. So double kill so far. So far this game is running decently. It's pretty similar to the LG Stylo 5. I would say it's about the same. I would say the Galaxy A50 and the A20 run a little bit better. You're getting a little bit better performance with that phone. Try to get a few more kills right here, but for the most part, it's working pretty decently. So this game definitely runs fine. As you guys can see, it's definitely a playable game, so that's all we need to see. Alright everyone, so next game we're going to be checking out, or last game, is PUBG Mobile right here. This is a lot more graphic intensive, has a lot more stuff in it. So we're going to see how this game runs. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, it's running decently. We haven't seen too many glitches so far, other than when we landed, so that's a good sign. Gotta go ahead and find a weapon. We have a guy right here. So we got one right there. Didn't see any slowdown or anything really right there, so that's good to see. Everything seems to be rendering correctly. The graphics actually look pretty decent on this device. I'm surprised. I really didn't expect this, but everything's running good. As you guys see, we had some slowdown right there, but that's something to expect with a sub $150 phone. But for the price so far, it's running really good. You're gonna try to get a few more eliminations. I'm go ahead and finish this guy right here. There we go, finally. Other guys right here. Kill instant. Whoa. Another kill, third kill right here. So as you guys can see, this definitely runs decently on the LG Stylo 6. So you guys won't have a problem. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.